Welcome back, friends. Today we have a Spyderco Manix 2. Some quick specs is the overall length is 8 inches. The blade length is 3.3 inch and the cutting edge is 2.8 inch. The blade thickness is 0.13 inch. Blade steel is 154 cm. Made in the USA. It's a drop point style blade with a mid hollow grind. So the handle length is 4.6 inches. The weight comes at exactly 5 ounces. It is a tip up carry, right hand, and you can unscrew these 3 screws and change the pocket clip to over here to make it a left hand carry for all you lefties. I just threw this little lanyard here in case if you go camping, you can hook this to like a tree branch, especially when you're prepping food and you don't want to close the blade every time. You can just kind of hang it on like a nail or, like I say, a little tree branch sticking out. All black hardware screws. The ergonomic feels good in the hand. They call it the ball bearing lock, which is not this. It's like a very hard plastic piece that locks the blade, and then there's a spring right there that pushes this clear plastic piece forward, and it locks the blade, and very strong lock. And then to unlock the blade, you compress the spring and then close it. And then when you open it, the spring will press this plastic piece forward to lock the blade. Pretty interesting lock. It's got some jimping here if you're into that. Pretty effective. And I like this here choil here, where if you want to do fine cuts, a little more where you need a little more precision, you can choke up, or just use the handle here instead of choking up on the blade. Made in Golden, Colorado. a spidey hole here, so you can easily deploy the blade. It's got the black G10 material for the handle. It's pretty smooth, but it does have some pretty good grip. So when the G10 is not too rough, or it's gonna rip up your pant pockets when you put it in your pockets in and out. If it's too rough of a G10, it'll definitely mar up your pant pocket. Got this black coating here to help prevent from rust and with the glare and reflection. Excellent knife. As you can see, this is a regular paracord, and it's pretty generous hole here, so you could even put a thicker paracord if you'd like. And there you have it, friends. The Spyderco Manix 2. Like I say, it doesn't come with this little lanyard here. I just threw that on, and until next time, friends, have a great day.